Hey everyone, it's Diane here. My new business idea is working out pretty well for our crazy signs. My husband is making custom signs like this. You can contact us to order. And my idea of funny signs to make people laugh is working. Do you know how many people have gone by my booth today at the market here and laughed at reading this sign and brought people back so that they could also read the sign and get a laugh? That's the purpose of our crazy signs. I started this business to make people laugh. It's working, so I'm happy. Now we just need sales of the signs. I've got so many different funny ones, it's unbelievable. And funny ornaments too. Another sign, and then I've got all these signs here. Alright guys, visit my website, ourcrazysigns.com, and you can see all of my signs there. If you're interested in a custom-made one, contact us. Have a great day and a Merry Christmas. Bye.